How to get good deals on NFTs with bidding auctions. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how we can get the best deals on desirable NFTs using bidding auctions. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you might be wondering is, hey, I purchase all of my NFTs on a platform like OpenSea and I only find desirable NFTs on a platform like this. How can I bid on NFTs and get them for a lower price? Because wouldn't bidding mean that I'm bidding for a higher price and bidding with other people? Well, there is a simple way that you can actually get lower prices from the floor price of an NFT on bidding auctions. And there are multiple different applications you can start bidding with, but the one that we are going to be using is nftdeals.xyz. Now, this is a bidding auction platform, and you might be wondering, hey, how can I get a 90% discount or a 76% discount on these super popular and desirable NFTs? Well, it's very simple and very easy, and I will tell you guys exactly how it works and how this actually gives more profits to the person that is selling, the creator, as well as the people that are bidding. Now, first off, you have a pay to bid. Unlike a standard auction where only the person that is winning is going to have to pay for their bid, but you're actually going to have to pay your amount even if you don't win the bid. So that is something to keep in mind whenever you are looking to purchase a NFT with these bidding deals, is you need to play to win. Then you have a timer extension. So every time a new bid is placed, the time is extended by 24 hours. And then winner, if you are the top bid when the timer runs out, then you're going to get the option to claim your NFT would be transferred to your wallet. And then you have a bid farm because you get 2 free bids after placing a paid bid, and you can apply those free bids to any future auction. And you cannot get the bids from placing you cannot get a free bid from placing a free bid, but once you do a paid bid, then you're going to get 2 free bids after that. Now, to get started, all you have to do is click on Explore Auctions over here, and you can take a look at the auctions that are going on. And this is how you're actually going to be making money with these platforms, is that you're going to be able to place a bid that is lower than the floor price. Let's say if I take an NFT like this. So what you're just going to do is you're going to head on over to nftdeals.xyz. You're going to click on Explore Auctions, and once you do that, you're going to click on Connect Wallet on the top right over here. So once you click on Connect Wallet, you have multiple different options. So you have 6 different options to connect, and most popularly, most people are using MetaMask anyways, so you don't have to convert. But if you don't have any of these wallets, you'll have to create an account on these wallets and use these to connect on NFT deals. Once you select the wallet that you want to connect, your wallet will be connected. If you are not on the same blockchain, you can see this is the Polygon blockchain. They will ask you to reconnect to that blockchain, and then you can go on ahead and explore the auction. So usually if you're using MetaMask, it's going to be Ethereum, but I have already added Polygon as a network. But you can simply just click on, whenever you're connecting your wallet, they will automatically give the option to switch the wallet blockchain, and you're just going to click on continue and they will switch the blockchain for you. You don't have to go on ahead and go to a bridging network. You can just do it on NFT deals. Now, once you do that, you can see there are so many desirable NFTs, especially such as the Mutant Ape Yacht Club. So if you click on over here, now, once you add this auction, so you can see this is the Ape Yacht Club NFT. The collection floor price is around 22,000 USD, and then there's currently no winner, and the bid amount is currently at 2,998, almost 2,300 USD. So you can see over here, this is a fraction of the price of the original floor price. If you were going ahead and buy this Yacht Club NFT on OpenSea, if you wanted a mutant ape, so if we go on ahead and go to the Mutant Ape Yacht Club, and you can see the collection floor price is always above around 14 to 13 Ethereum, and you're getting this NFT for a fraction of the price. So this is less than like 10%, and you're going to get 2 free bids once you do a paid bid. So what you're just going to do is you're going to click on join the waitlist, and you can join the waitlist to get 2 times the rewards on every bid, as well as 2 players waiting to auction this bid on launch. And you can see this is the floor. This is going to be less than the floor price, and it's going to give you a lot more time to manage your funds and be able to get a super desirable NFT for a very, very low price. You can click on join the waitlist, and you can go on ahead and connect your wallet, and then you will have your gas fees that you would have to pay to join the auction, and then you will be in the auction and you can start bidding. Now you also have view auctions, and you can view other auctions as well. So we're just going to wait for this to load up on our screen. We're going to switch to the Polygon network. You can see this is the little notification you will get, the bridging network. You're going to click on switch network. And once you have bridged the network, they will show you all of the NFT auctions that are available for that network. So it might take a little bit of time. Now you can see you have your coming soon bids, you have the expired bids, and you can see that this was the collection floor price and this was the last bid that was on this NFT. So this NFT definitely sold for a discount. And the reason that sellers love to do these kinds of auctions on a platform like NFT deals is because they are getting more money. How are they getting more money? Well, because on NFT deals, every person has to pay. So whatever you're bidding, you're going to have to pay it even if you don't win the bid. So what this means is that if a person has the floor price of $10,000 for their NFT, or let's just take the Mutant Ape collection over here. So the floor price is around $22,000. Let's see, the current bid amount is around $3,000. Now everyone is bidding $3,000. The next, let's say the first person bid $2,000, the next person bid $2,000 more, the next person bid $5,000, the next person bid $10,000, the next person bid $15,000. Now, even though the winning price is $15,000 USD, because the people behind that already bid $15,000, $13,000, $14,000, $5,000, $6,000 USD, the Mutant Ape creator is actually going to get over $30,000 in the price, in the winnings, because they have actually ended up making more money from multiple people instead of selling it to one person for a specific price. And this is going to give them more profits, and this is going to give more people opportunities to buy the NFT, as well as the winning price to be less than the floor price that the original floor price would be for a platform like OpenSea or any other NFT marketplace. So that is why it is so lucrative to sell NFTs on these deals platforms, and that is why they are so sufficient now. And that is also a reason why it's so efficient for you to not only sell NFTs, but to buy NFTs on platforms like NFT deals. So you can click on explore options, just take a look at the different deals that are happening, and always play to win with these kinds of situations. As long as you're not hitting the floor price, I think you should keep on bidding, and you should just bid below the floor price so you're able to win the auction more frequently. And once you're winning the auction, you can go on ahead and sell it on OpenSea for a higher price, and you would be making profits in this fashion. So that's a very simple business way for you to make money without having to create NFTs or do any of that and sell desirable NFTs, because these NFTs are super desirable. And you can see that you have a lot of popular NFTs. You have the Mutant Club, you have these Goblin NFT, Moonbirds are super popular as well, and these are going to give you more profits as well in comparison to maybe like a random NFT you choose to buy. If you just choose to invest in random NFTs, you might not be able to make the perfect choices, and you might not be able to get the best rewards available for those NFTs. Now, you also have bonus rewards, so you will get some rewards. They are very minute, but you do get some minor rewards for your bids, even if you're not the winning bid on NFT deals as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.